Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of productivity on the go. Laptops have long been the workhorse for many, but tablets are becoming increasingly powerful, blurring the lines between mobile device and portable computer. So, can a tablet truly replace your laptop? Let's explore the top 7 contenders in 2024 that might just surprise you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Alright, with that in mind, let's get to the good stuff. Here are the top 7 tablets that could be your next laptop. 1. Apple iPad Pro M2 chip. The Apple iPad Pro M2 chip is a powerful tablet that is designed for creative professionals and anyone who needs a device that can handle demanding tasks. It is powered by the M2 chip, which is the next generation of Apple's custom-designed chips. The M2 chip is faster and more efficient than the M1 chip, and it delivers up to 15% faster CPU performance and up to 35% faster graphics performance. Here are some of the key features of the iPad Pro M2 chip. M2 chip. The M2 chip delivers incredible performance and new capabilities, including support for ProRes video capture, super-fast wireless connectivity, and powerful iPadOS 16 features. Liquid Retina XDR display. The Liquid Retina XDR display is a beautiful and bright display that is perfect for watching videos, editing photos, and playing games. It features a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and motion. Thunderbolt USBC port. The Thunderbolt USBC port can be used for charging, connecting to peripherals, and transferring data. iPadOS 16. iPadOS 16 is a powerful operating system that is designed for tablets. It includes new features that make it even easier to be productive on your iPad. Overall, the Apple iPad Pro M2 chip is a powerful and versatile tablet that is perfect for creative professionals, students, and anyone who needs a device that can handle demanding tasks. 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a high-end Android tablet that competes directly with the Apple iPad Pro. It features a large 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and fast responsiveness. The S9 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This combination makes it a great choice for demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and multitasking. Here are some of the key features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Large 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This display is perfect for watching videos, editing photos, and playing games. It is bright, vivid, and offers excellent contrast. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This processor is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks. 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. With 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, you can multitask with ease and run multiple apps simultaneously without any slowdown. Up to 1 TB of storage. With up to 1 TB of storage, you can store all of your photos, videos, and files on your tablet. 11,200 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. The S9 Ultra has a large battery that can provide all-day battery life. The 45W fast charging allows you to quickly top up the battery when needed. Dual 12MP rear cameras and a 13MP front camera. The S9 Ultra has a versatile camera system that can take great photos and videos. S Pen included. The S Pen is a great stylus for taking notes, drawing, and marking up documents. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a powerful and versatile tablet that is a great choice for creative professionals, students, and anyone who needs a large screen tablet for work or play. Let me know if you'd like to hear more about how the S9 Ultra compares to the iPad Pro, or if you have any other questions about the S9 Ultra. 3. Apple iPad Air M1 chip. The Apple iPad Air M1 chip is a powerful and versatile tablet that sits between the iPad Pro and the iPad in terms of features and price. It's powered by the M1 chip, which is the same chip that powers the latest MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini. This chip delivers incredible performance for tasks like editing photos and videos, gaming, and multitasking. Here are some of the key features of the iPad Air M1 chip. M1 chip. The M1 chip delivers up to 60% faster performance than the A14 Bionic chip in the previous iPad Air. This makes it a great choice for demanding tasks. Liquid Retina display. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is bright, vivid, and offers excellent contrast. It is perfect for watching videos, editing photos, and playing games. 12 MP wide and ultra-wide cameras. The iPad Air M1 chip has a 12 MP wide camera on the back and a 12 MP ultra-wide camera on the front. These cameras take great photos and videos, and the ultra-wide camera is especially useful for video conferencing. Up to 256 GB of storage. With up to 256 GB of storage, you can store all of your photos, videos, and files on your iPad. Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 provides faster wireless speeds and improved performance. USB-C port. The USB-C port can be used for charging, connecting to peripherals, and transferring data. Overall, the Apple iPad Air M1 chip is a great choice for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a powerful and versatile tablet that can handle demanding tasks. It is more affordable than the iPad Pro, but it still offers great performance and features. 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is a 2-in-1 laptop tablet that offers a good balance of performance, portability, and versatility. It's a good choice for professionals, students, or anyone who needs a device that can be used for both work and play. Here are some of the key features of the Surface Pro 8. 11th Gen Intel Core processors. The Surface Pro 8 is available with a variety of 11th Gen Intel Core processors, including i3, i5, and i7 models. These processors offer good performance for most tasks, including web browsing, productivity applications, and even some light gaming. Windows 11. The Surface Pro 8 comes with Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. Windows 11 is a major update to the Windows operating system, with a new user interface, improved multitasking features, and better integration with Microsoft 365. Removable keyboard. The Surface Pro 8's keyboard is detachable, so you can use it as a traditional laptop or as a tablet. The keyboard is backlit and has a comfortable typing experience. Long battery life. Microsoft claims that the Surface Pro 8 can get up to 16 hours of battery life on a single charge. This makes it a great choice for people who need to stay productive on the go. Overall, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is a versatile device that can be used for a variety of tasks. It's a good choice for people who need a powerful and portable device that can be used for both work and play. However, it is also on the pricier side, so be sure to consider your budget before making a purchase. 5. Microsoft Surface Go 3. For those on a tighter budget, the Surface Go 3 offers a compact and affordable option for basic tasks and everyday use. The Microsoft Surface Go 3 is a budget-friendly 2-in-1 laptop tablet that prioritizes portability and everyday tasks over high-powered performance. It's ideal for students, casual users, or anyone who needs a device for browsing the web, checking email, streaming entertainment, and light productivity work. Here's a breakdown of the key features of the Surface. Go 3. Portability. This is the Surface Go 3's biggest strength. It's incredibly lightweight, starting at just 1.2 pounds, 544 grams, making it easy to carry around all day. The compact 10.5-inch touchscreen display with a built-in kickstand allows you to use it comfortably in various positions, whether for watching videos on a plane or taking notes in class. Performance. The Surface Go 3 is powered by a Pentium Gold processor from Intel, which is sufficient for everyday tasks, but might struggle with demanding applications like video editing or heavy multitasking. It comes with 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB of storage. Battery life. Microsoft advertises up to 11 hours of battery life on a single charge, which should be enough to last through a workday or school day. Windows 11, the Surface. Go 3 comes with Windows 11 Home in S Mode pre-installed. S Mode restricts you to installing apps from the Microsoft Store, but you can switch out of S Mode for free if you need to use specific desktop programs. However, keep in mind that the keyboard and pen are additional purchases. Overall, the Microsoft Surface Go 3 is a great choice for someone who prioritizes portability, everyday use, and a budget-friendly price tag. If you need a powerful machine for demanding tasks or professional use, you might be better suited looking elsewhere. 6. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is a high-end Android tablet that competes directly with the Apple iPad Pro. It features a large and beautiful 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and fast responsiveness. The S8 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is paired with 8 GB to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This combination makes it a great choice for demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and multitasking. Here are some of the features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. Large 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display. This display is perfect for watching videos, editing photos, and playing games. It is bright, vivid, and offers excellent contrast. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This processor is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks. 8 GB to 16 GB of RAM. With 8 GB to 16 GB of RAM, you can multitask with ease and run multiple apps simultaneously without any slowdown. Up to 1 TB of storage. With up to 1 TB of storage, you can store all of your photos, videos, and files on your tablet. 10,090 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. The S8 Plus has a large battery that can provide all-day battery life. The 45W fast charging allows you to quickly top up the battery when needed. Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX is a feature that allows you to turn your tablet into a desktop-like experience. This can be useful for productivity tasks. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus is a powerful and versatile tablet that is a great choice for creative professionals, students, and anyone who needs a large screen tablet for work or play. Let me know if you'd like to hear more about how the S8 Plus compares to the iPad Pro, or if you have any other questions about the S8 Plus. 7. Amazon Fire Max 11. The Amazon Fire Max 11 is a tablet designed for entertainment, reading, and light productivity tasks. It features an 11-inch HD display, an octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB or 128 GB of storage. It also has a long battery life of up to 14 hours. Here are some of the key features of the Amazon Fire Max 11. 11-inch HD display. The display is large enough for watching videos, reading books, and playing games. However, the resolution is only 1200 x 2000 pixels, which is not as sharp as some other tablets on the market. Octa-core processor. The processor is powerful enough for most everyday tasks, but it may struggle with more demanding applications. 4 GB of RAM. The RAM allows you to multitask with ease. 64 GB or 128 GB of storage. You can choose from 64 GB or 128 GB of storage, depending on your needs. Up to 14 hours of battery life. The battery life is long enough to last through a day of use. Optional stylus and keyboard. The Fire Max 11 is compatible with an optional stylus and keyboard, which can be purchased separately. These accessories can make the tablet more versatile for productivity tasks. Fire OS. The Fire Max 11 runs on Fire OS, which is a custom version of Android. Fire OS gives you access to a large selection of apps, games, books, and movies through the Amazon App Store. However, it does not have access to the Google Play Store. Overall, the Amazon Fire Max 11 is a good option for casual users who are looking for an affordable tablet for entertainment, reading, and light productivity tasks. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below which tablet you think is the best laptop replacement, and if you've made the switch from laptop to tablet, share your experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.